Today I'm coming at you with a new YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 5 things you can do at home to improve your pole dancing, whether or not you have a pole at home. So I'm a pole dancer and pole instructor, and here on my YouTube channel I talk about all things pole, including giving you tips and tutorials on how to improve your performance and boost your confidence. So if you're new to pole dancing or new to stripping, or you just want some things to work on at home while the studios and clubs are closed, then definitely keep on watching because I have a lot to show you. But before we even get into this video, definitely make sure you're subscribed because I don't want you to miss a thing. And make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok at Janay so we can always stay connected on there. Now let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so number 1 is working on your flexibility by stretching. Especially right now, if you're at home, sheltering in place, you should be stretching often, even if it's just 15 minutes a day. Take that time to stretch out your body. There are hundreds of stretching videos on YouTube to help you work on flexibility in different parts of your body, so definitely take advantage of that. Number 2 is conditioning. Take some time to work on your strength, endurance, and anything you need to clean up. This is a great time to do your push-ups, your sit-ups, your planks, any type of exercise that can help build muscle strength because that will help prepare you to learn more advanced pole tricks in the future. And there's other things that you can work on with the pole, including your shoulder stands, handstands, your inverts, pole sits, shoulder mounts, jade. Literally, any of those moves that require a ton of strength, work on them now. Alright, number 3 is going back to the basics. If you're an intermediate or advanced pole dancer, take some time to review those basic spins and tricks that you learned when you were a beginner that you haven't done in a while. Perfecting those basic movements will help you so much in the long run when you start learning more advanced tricks and combos. Number 4 is freestyling. Take some time to just play around and have fun. You can play on static pole, spin pole, and if you don't have a pole at home, take some time and play around with some floor work. One of my absolute favorite things to do at home is to dim the lights, light some candles, throw on my favorite music, and just play around with the pole. I mean, honestly, some of my best work comes from me just playing and not thinking about what I'm doing and just letting my body move. And it's really like therapy to me, especially at a time right now where a lot of us are dealing with stress, anxiety, grief. Just having some time to play around and freestyle can help a lot with releasing that energy and also help you deal with those emotions. And last but not least, number 5 is taking online classes. If you're the type of person that needs somebody to motivate you to get up and get moving, virtual classes are the perfect thing for you. Especially right now, there are a lot of studios and instructors offering online classes at a free or discounted price. So definitely take advantage of that. If there's a studio you've been wanting to visit, or if there's an instructor that you've been wanting to take their class, but you need to travel to their city to do that, get online and go and check their social media, their websites, to see if they're offering any online classes and get enrolled. The studio that I work at, Chrome Empire, is offering a ton of classes right now, from stretching, conditioning, to advanced pole tricks, to exotic floor work, all kinds of stuff. So I will leave the link to their Instagram down below in the description box so you can check out the weekly class schedule for yourself if you're interested in enrolling in one of our classes. Alright you guys, that's going to wrap it up for this YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below what things you've been working on at home while in quarantine. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I don't want you to miss a thing. And make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected there. And until next time, I'll see you. Bye.